Ever wonder why so many Jamaicans left the island in the 1980s?
But why?
Let's break it down. The 1980s were some of the hardest years in Jamaica's modern history. The country was drowning in high inflation, political tension, and economic pressure after years of global oil crises and debt. During that time, Jamaica went under IMF Structural Adjustment Program, which meant government spending cuts, higher interest rates, and fewer jobs. The dollar dropped, prices soared, and everyday people struggled just to survive. On top of that came political violence. Whole communities were divided between parties, and fear pushed thousands of Jamaicans to look for safety and opportunity abroad. So from Kingston to Montego Bay, people packed up and flew to America, Canada, and England, chasing stability, jobs, and a better life. By the mid-80s, migration became so massive it changed Jamaica's economy forever, creating what we now call the Jamaican diaspora. But here's the truth, even when Jamaicans left, they never really left because they kept sending back remittances that still fuel the country today. Follow Alpha and Facts for more deep stories about Jamaican money, power, and history.